Are you ready for the next step after your university degree? Are you ready to apply your university knowledge to solving real-life business or industry problems? Do you want to boost your career in the industry? Join the Education to Professional Employment Accelerator program at the Graffiland-Lewa platform for professional mentorship. This program leads to a professional certification as a chartered AI and data growth consultant, where you can earn six-figure salaries by applying your academic knowledge plus AI and data skills to help companies scale. This is the real professional accelerator program you've been looking for. But here's the catch you've been looking for. The program is not for everyone. We're very keen on who we work with. If you think you qualify and you're ready to take your career to the next level, all you need to do is download the full program prospectus now and stand the chance of being selected for the true professional program you've been looking for. That's it from me. Look forward to talking to you soon.